Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Niti and today we're going to be talking about my favorite subject, epigenetics. What is epigenetics? It's the study that look at the interaction between your gene and the environment and what create what we call health outcomes of phenotype. It will amaze you that your gene, whatever you receive from your ancestor, your parents, not necessarily your destination. And that is powerful. I want you to remember that. So you do have some say, not just because you were born with this and that you cannot change that. For example, asthma or people that have a diabetic gene or different other ones. The environmental factors can be influential up to 70 and 80%. And so the gene can be influential 20 to 30% depend on how you live your life, right? The environmental factor can include, for example, the thing that you do all day long. You eat, right? Food, 3 meals a day plus snacks and knick-knack all day long. That includes water and your drink as well, including alcohol or drugs and prescription as well, right? Because whatever affect your gut microbes, that will affect your health outcome by gene influencing directly and indirectly. So taking antibiotics, for example, right, can affect your healthy gut microbes. And then eating processed food, that also kill your gut microbe as well from all these preservatives. And high sugary content of food will increase the incidence of yeast overgrowth, and then that can kill your healthy microbe because they all need food and need room to grow, right? So something got to give. And so if you have yeast overgrowth in your gut, then you will have unhealthy gut because the healthy bacteria die off to give room to the yeast. So don't make the yeast farm. That's very important. And detoxification system also rely on your gut microbes plus your liver. So if you drink a lot of alcohol plus eat unhealthy, that create toxin accumulation in your body, that create environmental situation that not conducive to your cells health and aging, right? Because also another thing, even our thought and our emotion can affect your gut microbes, and also how your gene turn on and turn off, and whatever create more stress also will induce stress hormone production, and that also will cause deterioration of the cellular function as well. So all these things, but what would counteract that, right? By not just eating much processed food, reduced sugary drink, alcohol, meditation, cleaning up your thought is good, focus center with like breathing, but also meditation can be very, very effective. And for example, you might have heard of telomere. Telomere is like, imagine the lace on your tennis shoes. A lot of new shoes don't even have lace anymore, but the cap of it, that's very similar to the cap of the end of your chromosomes. And that is actually, the length of that is correlating with your longevity. So the longer your telomere, the better it is for you. As you age, they tend to be shorter. And meditation counteract that. And if you have doubt about that, look at me, I'm over 100. I'm just kidding. So definitely, we look for a fountain of youth and all these secret to longevity. Just simple thing to be mindful and minding your emotion can really serve you well and reverse aging big time. Plus, definitely be mindful what we consume mentally and in our mouth as well. And the environmental factors also include your air, the air that you breathe. So definitely clean air, clean water, and clean thinking. Very important. So that's it. Love to you all. Bye for now. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Thank